Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever found the perfect photo online, but then there's a watermark right in the middle, ruining everything? You're not alone. Watermarks can be a real pain. But what if I told you there's an amazing free AI tool that can make them vanish in seconds? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with just a few clicks. Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We've all been there. You need an image for a project or social media, but that semi-transparent logo or text is a major distraction. Now, traditional photo editing software can work, but it can be complicated and time-consuming. That's where AI comes in today. We're using a tool that's specifically designed for this job, and it's so smart, it does most of the work for you. Just a quick reminder, always ensure you have the right to use an image before modifying it. With that said, let's get to the website. The tool we're using today is Watermark.ai. That's Dewatermark.ai. This is a powerful AI-powered watermark remover that is incredibly easy to use. The best part, it's free to get started, and you don't need any technical skills. No downloads, no signups. Just upload your photo and let the AI do its thing. Let's start with our example. Navigating to Watermark.ai, clicking Upload Image, or dragging and dropping a file, and selecting the example image from the computer. Post. Once you're on the Watermark.ai homepage, you'll see a large button that says Upload Image and a space to drop your photo. It's super straightforward. Just click the button, navigate to the watermarked image on your computer, and open it. The website supports common formats like JPG and PNG, so you're good to go. As soon as you upload it, the AI gets to work. It's that fast. This is where the real magic happens. As soon as your image is uploaded, the AI automatically scans it, detects the watermark, and removes it for you. You don't have to select or brush anything. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze the image and fill in the watermarked area with matching pixels from the surrounding content. Now, for some more complex or stubborn watermarks, you might see some tiny remnants. No problem. Watermark.ai has a manual AI brush tool for a pixel-perfect finish. Just select the brush tool from the side panel, adjust its size to fit the remaining area, and simply brush over the bits. So you want to clean up, the AI will work with your brush strokes to seamlessly blend the area. It's like having a digital eraser that's specifically trained to remove watermarks. Once you're completely satisfied with the result and your image is spotless, all that's left to do is download it. Just click the big download button. You might be given options for the quality, like original or HD. Choose your preferred option, and your watermark-free image will be saved directly to your computer. It's that simple. We've all been there. You need an image for a project or social media, but that semi-transparent logo or text is a major distraction. Now, traditional photo editing software can work, but it can be complicated and time-consuming. That's where AI comes in today. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this tool, or if you have a different method you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.